giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Hey guys, welcome back here. So this is Shak My Love, and if you're new here, don't miss this beautiful face by subscribing. Join the family by subscribing, and I'm going to be showing you my bathroom tour, and it is really amazing. Like, look at that. So we are going to be touring with you, and I'm going to be talking about a few things, my favorite places, my favorite things in here. Like you can see that, like, yeah, it's going to be amazing. So stick around, watch the up the end, and please like this video because it's going to be amazing. Okay? Yeah. Thank you. So when you enter, there is a rug here, which I feel like it's looking nice. It looks so nice. This house's theme is white actually, and a little bit of colors. So we have a rug here, which looks nice. We have a bucket here for whatever you want, soap your knickers, you want soap anything you want to wash. Yeah, there is a mini bucket here. So you have a bin here, and of course you all know what we use the bin for. So this toilet paper, of course, and it is, I think it is basic, but I think it is okay. Now when you come to the sink, of course it is looking nice, it is clean, it is pure white, like no gambling here with colors. It's pure white. I feel like it is nice. It is basic but nice. We have this, you can cover it just in case you want to stop the water from flowing down. So yeah, but I prefer it to be like here because I feel like it adds more beauty. Now on my left we have this, and you can hang your towels, and this is what we have here. And up here we do have the mirror. Up here we do have this mini mirror. It is not fancy, but it is very good. It is enough for, yeah, it is enough. I think you can see that. So yeah, that is how it looks like. We have this light here. It was on, but I felt like the light was too much in here, so I decided to switch it off. But we have this light here, and it adds beauty. That is, yeah, that is it with this part. Yeah, I think it looks nice. Now I think this is going to be the favorite part when it comes to the washroom or to the bathroom. We have up here, we have this rug. You can call it a rug, I don't know how you call it, but it is like a table, everything, whatever you call it. So it is in plain white, and I'm going to explain a few things. So we have these two flower vases. They are the same, yeah, still having the same plants, yeah, and I feel like they really add beauty in this room, like in the bathroom. You know, most cases we don't care about the beauty of our bathrooms, but yeah, this, at least it gives you the energy of showering, spending time here, taking care of yourself, skincare and everything. So another thing, you can use this to put your skincare products. Of course, you can get a small or simple basket, and you put your skincare in there. We have this extra tippy here. Yeah, it is extra because we have another one here. Now we have the shower gels, we have the air freshener, and we have this bar for this, and it holds toothbrushes, toothpaste and everything of that kind. Now here, I think this still stuff show it is just for decoration, but of course you can put a few things inside here if you want to. But even if you don't put, even if you don't put, it still looks beautiful. You just have to make sure, because it has a cover, you just have to make sure you put things that can fit, and it can let this to be like covered just like that. Like, it is really nice. Africans, they have talent. Like, look at that. It actually literally changes everything, like the look of this place. I think you can see it gives the meaning. Yeah, I think you can get that. So down here we do, it goes actually up to down, and that is how it looks like. Yeah, it is really clean. So down here we have our very clean, yeah, that is how it looks like. Just basic toilet, but yeah, I think this really added more beauty on this place.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine.
Guys, I know you don't love white. I know most of people say white is hard to maintain, but white is that color that you can accessorize with any color and you bring out something. Like, you don't have to use a lot, but yeah, it really brings out the picture. Like, look at that. Like, look at that, guys. I love it. So, and even this rug, it added more beauty on in this room. So this is one of our last parts. This is this is the toilet. This is how it looks like, and let's start from here. Now up here we do have a heater, of course. Yeah, it is there. Here we have, you can actually put your curtains here if you want to. You can put curtains so that it is like totally, the bathroom is separate from the, of course, the toilet. So you can put curtains or you can leave it like that. I feel like either way it is beautiful. So we have these, and you can hang your clothes there. Actually, you can use it to do any of the things you want. So we have our shower there, and it is a basic one, but it is a clean one. It is nice, yeah. So that is our shower. See? Yeah, that is it. And one thing I love about it is actually when you're showering, water doesn't come this side. So after that, here down here, we have an area for, you can put anything you want, but you can actually have a basket and you put your shower gel so that you can separate them from here, because you know this area is separate from this area. So yeah, I think that adds more beauty actually. Beside that, it adds more beauty. So this is how the shower looks like, and it's not so big, but I think it can even accommodate 2 people. So if you're lovers, you can copy this. So down, this is how the tiles look like. Yeah, I don't like the color of the tiles, but I think it is okay. It is really fine. So we have another area here where you can still hang your towels, and when you come here, you have a bigger towel, a bigger one, so you can put your towel, you can put your face towel, skincare towels, anything you want, as long as it's going to make it look good. So this side we don't have much things or many things, and that is literally it. That is how it looks like. Let me give you an overview of it.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want and I pray. All I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard.
Guys, that has been it for this bathroom tour. I hope you loved it. Tell me what your favorite part. I think my favorite part is this, like that, and of course this one, and this one comes last because hey, our bathroom without a mirror, it is a no for me. So that has been it for this video. I hope you loved it. Tell me your best part in this. So I'm very glammed up because I'm going somewhere. Actually, I have a vlog that is coming out, but guys, I love it. I love it. I really, really love it. So that has been it. I love you guys. Thank you for supporting me. For my new subscribers, I really enjoy you. I love you so much. I appreciate that energy, the love. I appreciate everything that you do. And yeah, let's push. Let's push. We can do this, okay? We can. Love you guys. Bye.